Hello students, today I am going to start class 10th English writing section, letter of complaint. Complaint of defective products. So here is the format of writing the letter. In first 2 or 3 lines we will write sender's address, in which we will include house number, street and town. After that we will leave one line and then we will mention date. Again after date we will leave one line and then we will write receiver's address, in which first we will write the designation, then after that the name of the firm, institution or agency, and after that the receiver's address. After that we have to leave one line and then we will write salutation. After salutation we have to leave one more line and then we will write subject. After subject we have to leave one more line and then comes the body of letter, which we will write in 3 to 4 paragraphs. In first paragraph we will give the introduction of self, means the person who is writing the letter, and write about the problem of the product. In second paragraph we will mention the main content, the problems, the defects of the products. In third paragraph we will write the conclusion and we will ask for quick action, immediate replacement or repair. And then after third paragraph we will again leave one line and we will write yours truly and the name that is given in the question. So here is one example of letter of complaint. You are Asima Abhishek of 12 Lodhi Road, New Delhi. Recently you bought an LG washing machine from Croma Heights, Lajpat Nagar Market, New Delhi. Now the washing machine is not working properly. Write a letter of complaint to the sales manager informing about your concern and asking for a replacement. Now here you see how the letter is. First of all, the sender's address is mentioned here, 12 Lodhi Road, New Delhi. After that one line is left there and date. After date again there is one line left. Then the address of receiver, the sales manager, Croma Heights, Lajpat Nagar Market, New Delhi. Then after leaving one line, subject is there, complaint regarding defective washing machine. After that salutation, sir, and then one more line is left and then first paragraph. I am a resident of Lodhi Road, New Delhi. Recently I bought a grey colored 8 kg LG automatic washing machine from your store. Its model number is WM123 and its bill number is CH456 dated 28th April 2020. It has a warranty period of 2 years. Then in second paragraph, it worked well for the first few days, but gradually it has started malfunctioning. Its spinner is not working properly. The clothes are not drying properly in the dryer. Sometimes it also creates a lot of inconvenience. I think it has some manufacturing defects. In the last paragraph, I am your regular customer. Most of the electronic items at my home are from your store and I am quite satisfied with them. But this time, I think I took a wrong decision of buying washing machine from you. As the product is in warranty period, you are requested to repair or replace it at the earliest. After leaving one line, yours truly, Abhishek, and after leaving one more line, you have to write the enclosure copy of the bill. Thank you.